Hello, welcome to H.O.O Basics. Today I will show you how to install Among Us on your desktop and laptop. Open your favorite web browser. Go to Google and find Among Us for PC. Select and download the first link from Bluestacks. Click and download. Go to Download folder when finished. Right-click and run as administrator. Click Install Now. Wait the download till finished. After download, this will extract and continue to the installation. Bluestacks now started and ready. Do not register yet. Now install Among Us. Then sign into Google Play using your Google account. After registration, follow the instructions to proceed. Then continue to the installation of Among Us application. Installation successful. Now you can enjoy the game.